Ah, hey there. So Tupperware. That's the stuff your mum used to go to parties to buy. And you know she grumbled about going, but boy, was she excited when her delivery arrived. Well, there's a reason for that. There's a reason why she started and keeps buying it. You see, we've been in your kitchen for 60 years now, Australia, and not like some creep loitering around in the corner. See, we actually know what you need to get it done. In the kitchen. We basically invented food storage and conservation. See this paint can? That's the design inspo for keeping your food fresher for longer. Clever, hey? Well, we kept on being clever. We've been working towards creating sustainable habits since before sustainability was a word. Containers that help your fresh produce to breathe and then last longer so you can create less waste, it's a thing. Travel mugs to replace your disposable takeaway coffee mugs? Yes, please. Cutting out single-use plastics with fab drink bottles and reheatable food containers? We're doing it, man, and we do it really well. And once we do something well, we want to do it better. We made baking dishes out of plastic for your oven. Then we decided to create a pressure cooker for the microwave. Ding ding, mothers and fathers, dinner is served. Next minute, we're putting metal in the microwave so you can cook, bake and grill no matter if it's hot as 1,000 hot things or colder than a mother-in-law's kiss. You can have sizzling hot sausage every night of the week. So babe, stop swiping right and head over to our site where you can shop online because I guarantee you'll see something there you actually like. So Tupperware, maybe it's time to see what 60 years of fuss is actually about.